Jai Hind! Welcome viewers to My Startup TV. I am your host Aishwarya. I'm back with another episode of What's the Trend? On the occasion of Kargil Vijay Divas, our heart reaches out to the brave souls who sacrificed their lives for the nation during Kargil and the wars India has fought since independence. Viewers, we know our Indian Armed Forces is the reason why you and I can sit at our homes with our families. Moreover, the Indian Armed Forces also play a key role during internal distribution and natural calamities. But today, My Startup TV is looking at a different side of our brave soldiers. Each year, thousands of soldiers retire, whom we call veterans, to start a new life. But unfortunately, for decades, the veterans had limited choice in employment and only a handful took to entrepreneurship. In the past decade, all this has changed. Now we have Soldierpreneur, a veteran who has turned into an entrepreneur and are creating a mark for themselves. After contributing to the nation's security, these men and women are now contributing to the country's economy. In addition, they are creating jobs, guiding the youth as motivational speakers and life coaches. In fact, there is also a group by the name Soldierpreneur where there are 200 plus entrepreneurs. There are many more out there. These groups work together, help promote each other, and especially when a new veteran takes up entrepreneurship. In the past, there wasn't awareness nor support for taking up entrepreneurship, but now things are changing and many veterans are becoming soldierpreneurs. One such example of a soldierpreneur is the first Indian Army officer to have gone to Harvard Business School. He is a soldierpreneur based in the US. Many soldierpreneurs are first starting in the corporate sector and then launch their venture. Some of the sectors of choice are human resource management, information technology, manufacturing, coaching, etc. So why are veterans taking up to business with ease? Armed forces help soldiers pick up many skills such as management, operations, HR, crisis management, and makes them multitaskers, which is a core requirement for an entrepreneur. Then on retirement, veterans learn business skills that complete the circle. Soldierpreneurs are here to stay and we wish them all the luck. My Startup TV has started a show by the name Soldierpreneur where we will showcase their entrepreneurial journey. So do join us to learn more about soldierpreneurs. We thank all the veterans for their selfless contribution to the development of the country. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.